Hello everyone, this will be ozone disinfection system. Now we have sanitizers and many disinfection systems with us at home and our office also. But now I would like to demonstrate you how you can use a ozone generator at home and make a ozone chamber, small ozone chamber like this at home. So this will be your ozone generator. When you switch on it, you fix the timer like this is now fixed to 20 minutes. You have switched on it, the ozone is getting generated from here, and now I have attached the pipe. This pipe I have attached here. I have made a hole here and I have attached the pipe to this plastic box. This plastic box will be ozone compatible, food grade plastic box you can buy from market. Now I will demonstrate what all things you can do. Suppose your car key, your currency, your keys, or watch or mouse, or few things will be there which you cannot disinfect with this solution. I'll explain you. Suppose you have your sanitizer at home like this. Okay, now you cannot spray this like this. You can spray on other things, you can't spray this on few of these things. Okay, so when you're going to disinfect things like your ID card, your key, you have to keep it inside this chamber. Your ATM cards, your keys. If you want to keep your watch also when you are back from your office, used mask also you can keep. Okay, then the fresh masks, these are N95 masks. The fresh masks which you are going to use further, these also you can keep it inside as it is touched by you multiple times. You can put your charger inside. So this way you can put up all the things inside. Tablets. Okay, then close it. Now you have to keep it inside for 10 minutes. So contact time of the gas and these things is 10 to 15 minutes. So after that these all will get disinfected and will be ready to reuse. Now about the gloves, you cannot disinfect with this chamber because this is not ozone compatible material, that will get damaged. Suppose you have some diaries or mouse or whatever things you are not able to disinfect, you can keep it inside this chamber, you can easily disinfect it. Okay, so after 10 minutes you have to take it out from the box and reuse it. It is as simple as that. So it is suggested, before keeping inside this box, that is ozone chamber, please clean all the things if it is used and if you are going to reuse it. And whatever fresh things are there, like these masks I have kept inside, those you can keep it as it is. So whatever is used or taken back from outside the home, you have to clean it first and then keep it inside. You can sanitize as much as possible with the sanitizer also. After that, this ozone generator will help you to disinfect with this ozone chamber. So guys, this is ozone chamber, a small ozone chamber at home made by you with the simple technique. Thank you. This is Dr. Sudhir Dole, your ozone trainer from Mumbai. Take care.